caveats. Okay, now he comes to a critique of Russell's solution. So he said, but the identity of continuity and the infinite divisibility of space is no solution to the difficulty, for reasons we discussed last time. Because Zeno's paradoxes are like, if infinite divisibility means continuity, that doesn't solve all the problem or all the objections. It might solve the gap problem, but it won't solve the how do we go from point 1 to point 2 problem. Assuming that there is a one-to-one correspondence between the infinite multiplicity of instants in finite intervals of time and infinite multiplicity of points in a finite portion of space, the difficulty arising from divisibility remains the same. This seems true, I think, because Zeno's paradoxes, there are several paradoxes, so this might solve the problem of jumping from one point to another, but it won't solve the problem of how do we go from one point to the next if the space between those 2 points can be infinitely divisible. So it seems intuitively, and Cantor's solution is obviously not intuitive, it's mathematical. So it might still be true, but intuitively it seems that the problem of divisibility is separate from the problem of continuity, at least not entirely one-to-one correspondence there. Okay, so the mathematical conception of continuity, I don't know what it is. The mathematical conception of continuity as infinite, like I can't, I mean, I sort of know what it is, but how can we visualize it, for example? I'm not sure how to visualize it. The mathematical conception of continuity as infinite series applies not to movement regarded as an act. Now this is something separate. So what is motion? Here it is coming to, and I'm not sure whether this critique